Hey guys, Mr. Wagner here. Happy Monday. This is their asynchronous recorded lesson for Monday, August 31st. So, pre-AP bio, here we go. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Speaking of weekends, hope you guys enjoyed getting away from some screen time and just kind of enjoying yourselves. I know my good thing is that the temperature is dropping a little bit. The heat was just getting a little too much, so it's starting to feel hopefully a little bit more like fall. But that is my good thing, that the temperature's coming down. So, alright, Monday, asynchronous lesson. Here we go. Mrs. Anderson and I have prepared a few things for you guys to complete during this block of time, and I am going to show you what we need you guys to complete. So, Schoology page, here's my bio class, several folders. Mine may or may not look exactly like Mrs. Anderson's, and that's fine. I want to show you guys what we need you guys to complete on Monday. So, Unit 1 Ecology, that's the one we're in right now. Mrs. Anderson and myself both have folders that have the 831 asynchronous lesson activities in them. Notice the due date. Now that due date is Friday, September 4th by 9 a.m. Now ideally you guys are getting this done before then, and you're using this time wisely right now to complete it. But just know that technology issues, whatever happens, you guys have until Friday, September 4th at 9 a.m. to get those in. And then we'll start pulling those grades over to Q and populating there. So what do you guys need to get done? Well, if you click and open up the folder, there we've kind of listed things out in these resources and pieces of material that you guys need to do. Mrs. Anderson, on our amazing YouTube channel, yes, we're YouTube stars now, she has gone through and recorded a lesson about 15 minutes long that finishes up that intro to ecological systems slides for us, starting with a review of that biotic and abiotic factors that we have in our ecosystem. So make sure you guys watch that video because there's going to be some amazing notes that are going to help you guys with the other tasks. Specifically, this one here, the root words and vocabulary. Now, this is set up as a graded thing in Schoology, so please take your time on that. You're going to be using the notes that you take during the Characteristics of Ecosystems video from Mrs. Anderson to help you guys with this root words and vocabulary. Now, after you're done with that, you have 2 assignments here. Now, these 2 assignments are set up where you get 2 attempts, okay? So take your time, but know that these are checks for understanding, and we're going to take your highest score, okay? So activate both of them. This second one's amazing. YouTube has this feature of YouTube 360, which allows like science videos to be that 360 model. So this one's really neat. There's a video and then some questions that go along with it. But again, you have 2 attempts to complete those. So Monday, you guys need to get done. Finish up the video that Mrs. Anderson has put on that finishes up the Intro to Ecological Systems PowerPoint. Take the root words and vocabulary, check for understanding, and then you have these other 2 assignments you can work on. Now, ideally you're getting those done, like I said, today, Monday. We're assuming today is Monday. But just know again that you have until September 4th by 9 a.m. deadline to get those to us. Okay? Everything is graded within Schoology, so there's nothing that you guys need to submit. We get notifications when you guys complete them, so you don't need to reach out to us unless, of course, you guys have questions. Okay? So if you have questions, reach out to us. We're always here to help you guys. And remember, at 1:35 is JAG time, and that's that live class today. So reach out to us if you guys have questions. If not, hope you had a great weekend. And you have a few activities in that folder to complete. All right, Jags. We'll see you all in live sessions Tuesday.